Welcome back everyone to yet another video. In this video, we'll go over and create a more detailed prompt and we'll try to create something better with Midjourney. So in this video, I really like Lamborghinis. So I'm gonna go and create a blueprint for a Lamborghini. First of all, what comes first? We have to give an imagine prompt, and then I'm gonna go and I want to create a Lamborghini, maybe a newest Lamborghini. So maybe a blueprint, because it blueprints is basically an initial diagrams that were created before creating an actual car. So I want the blueprints of Lamborghini. Maybe the newest models of Lamborghini, um, year maybe 2090 or 3000. So basically futuristic. This will be futuristic, so maybe we can add futuristic here. Futuristic blueprint of Lamborghini's newest model, year 2090 maybe. This will work really great. Now this is my prompt. After that I'm going to go and give it a style, or tell the artist. So in style of maybe Da Vinci, or any style you want, any artist you want, you can add that over here. And then you can go and add studio lighting, or any lighting you want. So you can add the lighting as well, and after adding the lighting you can go over and add other stuff like aspect ratio, resolution, etc, etc. So I'm going to go with 4K, and let's go with aspect ratio, let's go with AR, aspect ratio 16:9. So let's go with 16:9, and let's so by some means aspect ratio was not working in our previous prompt. So let's try if it works over here. I don't know why it was not working. So press enter. Okay, so here we have, you can also go and add if you want. If you don't want something in your image, you can also go and add that you want to exclude something, you don't want to include something, you can just go slash slash and then hash hash then no. So with that you can exclude something if you don't want anything in your image. So here we go, the image has started creating. Let's wait a couple of seconds before it completes. Okay, so we have created these images. If I click over here, so let's see which one of these are actually looking futuristic. So basically all of these are looking like Lamborghinis, but there is a little bit difference. So if I go over here, this one looks a little bit more futuristic. This one is also cool. This represents more like today's Lamborghini. So this one is also cool. So I like this one. So we can go and upscale this fourth variant of it, and it will be upscaled. So basically you can go and add more details. So for these images we added more detail, we added the aspect ratio, we added 4K resolution, we added the style of Da Vinci, etc, etc. So with all those information we have created this image, and I think it looks really great. So basically you can do this too, and you can go over here and you can create these images with very long prompts, but make sure that it's not out of bounds. So anything you want your to be in your image, you can do that, but if you don't like anything, you can just go and tell Midjourney that you don't like this in your image, etc, etc. So there are limitless possibilities, but make sure to not go overboard with very lengthy prompts that does not have any reason. Just go with a reasonable amount of text in your prompts and it will work fine. So that's it for today's video. We'll meet in the next one.